Here are 21 lesser-known facts about frogs. 1. Diverse species. Frogs belong to the order Anura, and there are over 7,000 known species found on every continent except Antarctica. They vary greatly in size, color, and behavior, ranging from tiny frogs less than 1 centimeter long to giant species over 30 centimeters in length. 2. Amphibious lifestyle. Frogs are amphibians, meaning they spend part of their life cycle in water and part on land. They typically lay their eggs in water, where they hatch into aquatic tadpoles before undergoing metamorphosis into adult frogs. 3. Skin respiration. Frogs have thin, permeable skin that allows them to absorb oxygen and release carbon dioxide directly through their skin. This skin respiration is particularly important for frogs during periods of extended submersion in water. 4. Habitat diversity. Frogs inhabit a wide range of habitats, including forests, grasslands, deserts, wetlands, and urban areas. Some species are adapted to arboreal life in trees, while others are specialized for aquatic or terrestrial habitats. 5. Camouflaging abilities. Many species of frogs have evolved camouflage patterns and coloration to blend in with their surroundings and avoid predators. Some frogs can change color to match their environment, while others have disruptive patterns that break up their outline. 6. Venomous species. Some species of frogs produce toxins in their skin glands as a defense mechanism against predators. These toxins, such as those produced by poison dart frogs, can be highly potent and even deadly to predators if ingested or absorbed through the skin. 7. Eating habits. Frogs are carnivorous and feed on a diet of insects, spiders, worms, and other small invertebrates. They use their sticky tongues to capture prey, which they then swallow whole. 8. Tongue projection. Frogs have specialized tongues that can be rapidly projected out of their mouths to catch prey. The tongue is attached to the front of the mouth and flips outward to snatch insects with lightning speed. 9. Acoustic communication. Frogs are well known for their vocalizations, which they use for communication, territory defense, and attracting mates. Each species has a unique call, and males often gather in choruses during the breeding season to amplify their calls. 10. Fertilization. Most species of frogs engage in external fertilization, where the female releases her eggs into the water and the male simultaneously releases sperm to fertilize them. Some species, however, exhibit internal fertilization, particularly those that lay eggs on land. 11. Parental care. While many frogs provide little or no parental care to their offspring, some species exhibit more complex parental behaviors. For example, certain species carry their eggs or tadpoles on their backs or deposit them in specially constructed nests. 12. Hibernation. In colder climates, frogs may hibernate during the winter months to survive harsh conditions. They burrow into the ground or find sheltered spots underwater to conserve energy and avoid freezing temperatures. 13. Suction cup feet. Some species of tree frogs have specialized toe pads with suction cups that allow them to climb vertical surfaces and cling to leaves and branches. These toe pads are covered in tiny microscopic hairs that create adhesive forces. 14. Regenerative abilities. Frogs have remarkable regenerative abilities and can regrow lost or damaged body parts, including limbs, tails, and even parts of their internal organs. This capacity for regeneration makes them valuable subjects for scientific research. 15. Anti-predator behavior. Frogs employ a variety of anti-predator behaviors to avoid being eaten by predators. These behaviors may include freezing in place to blend in with their surroundings, puffing up their bodies to appear larger, or emitting distress calls to alert nearby frogs. 16. Bioindicators. Frogs are sensitive to changes in their environment and serve as bioindicators of ecosystem health. Their presence, abundance, and reproductive success can provide valuable information about factors such as water quality, pollution, and habitat degradation. 17. Cultural symbolism. Frogs have been revered and mythologized in various cultures throughout history. They are often associated with themes of transformation, rebirth, and fertility and are featured in folklore, art, and religious symbolism around the world. 18. Natural pest control. Frogs play a crucial role in controlling insect populations and help to regulate pest species such as mosquitoes, flies, and agricultural pests. Their voracious appetite for insects makes them valuable allies in pest management. 19. Longevity. While the lifespan of frogs varies depending on the species and environmental factors, many frogs can live for several years in the wild, with some species reaching ages of 10 years or more in captivity. 20. Environmental adaptations. Frogs have evolved a range of adaptations to survive in diverse environments, including the ability to tolerate extreme temperatures, adapt to changes in humidity, and withstand periods of drought or flooding. 21. Conservation concerns. Despite their ecological importance and cultural significance, many species of frogs are facing threats from habitat loss, pollution, climate change, and emerging infectious diseases such as chytridiomycosis. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and preserve frog populations and their habitats worldwide. These lesser-known facts offer a glimpse into the fascinating biology, behavior, and ecological roles of frogs, highlighting their diversity and importance in the natural world.